Hello and welcome back to my another quick unboxing and review video. In this video I am going to share with you quick unboxing and review BOYA B10. So let's take a look. This my BOYA B10, how the box exactly looks like. Now I am going to unboxing this BOYA B10 and then I'm going to share you how exactly this BOYA B10 looks like. After unboxing this BOYA B10, what we're going to inside this box, we're going a bag which is we can carry our wireless microphone and a USB C cable to charging our this BOYA microphone, and here is our itself our BOYA microphone and a warranty card and quick user guide. Now let's jump over this BOYA B1 microphone by side, how exactly this BOYA B1 microphone looks like and etc. things. So if we jump over this BOYA B1, this TX, which is exactly looks like, we can see here it's writing BOYA logo and it has inbuilt a filter, pop filter, so you can easily remove if you don't like, but it's not looks like good after removing this pop filter. So I'm going to return back over it, and this is how exactly this BOYA B1 TX looks like. So if we jump over by side, here we will see there is a power button, so you can simply turn on, and also there is a noise cancellation button. And then other side, if you would like to charge our TX, you can easily charge this, which is a USB-C, so you can easily charge this TX device with USB-C connector. And then we'll see there is a clipping, so you can easily clip anywhere you would like. So there is also an interesting feature that this clip you can easily move around, so you can easily move 360 degree, whatever you would like to clipping anywhere, you can simply clip and use your BOYA V1 microphone. Let me connect with my BOYA V1 microphone with my iPhone. So I'm going to connect over on it. So when you connect, it's going to be automatically pop up, or it's going to be turn on, and there is going to be appear a blue icon. So it's looking for pair. So when I'm going to turn on this BOYA microphone TX, so when you turn on, it's going to be appear green color, and it has an interesting feature. So it is automatically pair, so you no need to pair this device separately. So now it's ready to BOYA BY-V10 mini wireless leveler microphone. It brings you excellent recording performance unmatched by other. The slim and lightweight microphone weighs only 10.5 grams, which ensure comfortable and hassle-free carrying and allow you to travel light. Mini microphone provide up to 9 hours of power. Wireless microphone is ideal for content creation, interviews, video blogging, mobile journalism, live streaming, broadcasting, vertical meeting, and more. BOYA BY-V10 microphone has built-in exclusive noise reduction technology. Click the NR button to turn on the noise reduction mode. The wireless microphones range up to 320 feet. You can capture clear recording and shoot videos from gathering distance, both indoor and outdoor, making it your perfect partner for long distance shooting. Now you can hear I had connected with my BOYA B10 with my iPhone 15 Pro Max, and you can hear the sound right now. All this from BOYA B10. I brought this BOYA B10 from Saudi Arabia local market, which was cost me 120 real. If I convert it to dollar, which will cost you around $30. So this BOYA is a non-brand which is very common, and they are providing batteries of microphone. So I brought this, and you can hear the sound, which is very interesting. So which is very cheap price, and you're getting a USB-C microphone. You can easily connect with any smartphone. So I hope you really enjoyed this video, and also let me know about this BOYA B10 microphone sound quality in comment section below. So that's for now. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family.